So you have a swollen vulva or painful female reproductive area. You have to understand the cause. If it's swollen, it means there's a lymph issue. It's inflammation, acidosis in the area. Okay, to get relief, you can use Heal Tea and douche with it. Okay, you have to raise your hips and insert it deep inside. Douche once daily. Okay, you can also take a pad, a sanitary pad, and put the Heal Tea on it and apply it to the area. You know, maybe when you're watching TV. But aside from that, this is interstitial lymphatic congestion or stagnation. It's actually a kidney issue. Your lymph system is not moving at all. It's stagnant and it's burning from the inside out. Okay, so you need to get those acids out of the area. You need to use adrenal tincture, kidney tincture, get the kidneys to filter. Kidney filtration should be your primary goal. You get the lymph system moving with 100% fruit diet. Remember that the lymph system moves acids from your cells through to the kidneys where it's eliminated. You have to get that working properly. Okay, use the female reproductive formula, because it deals with the pituitary gland. Check for the pituitary gland because that controls the ovaries and a lot of hormone production. Okay, we need to clean that out. Make sure your adrenals are working properly because they produce corticosteroids to fight inflammation. They also produce neurotransmitters, okay, as well. Okay, and get the bowels clean because remember the solar plexus house some nerves as well. Okay, and we want that clean as well. And the GI tract. The head sits on the GI tract, and if that's not clean, well, you can't drain those acids out effectively, and the endocrine glands are affected, which can affect the area as well. Okay, so it's 100% fruit diet. It's going on a 30-40 day dark grape only diet. That's what I would do if it were me. I'll use herbs for the FAB5, kidney, adrenals, lymph system, stomach and bowels, and endocrine system. Add a female reproductive tincture in the douche of Heal Tea, and get that area better, because it take you a bit of time. But if you don't clean it up, it can be a very painful experience, and it gets worse and worse and can lead to other things.